Thank you, Senator Schumer. Hey, before I talk about chips, I want to say a few words about the disastrous decision by the Arizona Supreme Court today to reinstate a total ban on abortion. From a law that was passed in 1864, before Arizona was a state, actually 48 years before Arizona became a state. Senator Stabenow mentioned 1 out of 3 women live in a state that have an extreme abortion ban. Well, about 30 minutes ago, that number went up. This is going to criminalize doctors for doing their jobs, and it's going to have a devastating effect on the health and freedom of women in Arizona. It's going to put lives at risk. Now, this law may have been written 160 years ago, but it's only being reinstated now because of politicians who worked to overturn Roe v. Wade. In fact, in the Supreme Court ruling today, it mentioned the Dobbs decision 22 times. This is devastating for women in Arizona. I've got a daughter and granddaughter in Arizona. This is not who we are as Arizonans. And I refuse to allow Arizona to become a state where doctors are going to be afraid to practice, to just do their jobs. Women deserve the right to make these decisions on their own, not politicians in Washington making them for them. So I'm going to continue to work to fix this. But I've got to, stress that this is a really sad day for the state of Arizona. Now, yesterday, as Senator Schumer mentioned, the CHIPS Act grants, a grant was awarded for TSMC. TSMC is investing $65 billion of their own money in the state of Arizona. They're receiving a $6.6 billion grant from the Department of Commerce because of the CHIPS and Science Act. This means there will be tens of thousands of construction and manufacturing jobs created in the state of Arizona. These are jobs that you can actually raise a family on, that don't require a 4-year degree. This is also an investment in our workforce. And when these factories are done, we will be making the most advanced semiconductor chips in the world in the state of Arizona. So this is a win for Arizona, and it's a win for our country. It's bringing back manufacturing jobs from overseas. It's going to strengthen our economy, strengthen our supply chains, and strengthen our national security. And this, as Senator Schumer mentioned, this is only the beginning. Thank you.